Today we have Mr. Ashish Jamadar, CEO at Elcom International, and here we have again, like we did yesterday, we have some few questions to the CEO of the company. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon to you.
We'd like to know, something about the EV connectors that Elcom has recently launched into the market, and we see the presence of Elcom into the market. Could you please help us with a quick overview of what EV related products or EV connectors Elcom has into the market?
Great. So, see, we have launched these EV connectors and along with the EV charging guns in 2024. And within the span of 1 year, I think we have got a fantastic response from the EV market. So, I'm pleased to inform you that we are the first company to get the ARAI approval for the EV connector up to 250 ampere. And we also have a range of Type 2 as well as the Type 6 connectors, and we have set up a fully green plant, a new plant which is adjacent to our existing factory, and we anticipate that this demand for the EV connector is going to grow, and Elcom is the rightly pitched company, which is an all-Indian company where we are manufacturing the products in-house in our factory, and we are really geared up to address the growing demand of this EV market.
Next question, of course, is how can you differentiate Elcom from other different multinational brands into the market, and what are your maybe USPs or key differentiators?
Yeah, I think that is very, I will say, unique question. Okay, when it comes to the USPs of Elcom, see, Elcom, we have got a very strong R&D capabilities. We have a plant where we have R&D, 50 odd R&D engineers. Our R&D is recognized by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, a body which comes under the Ministry of Science and Technology. And we have equally competent operational capabilities in terms of vertically integrated plant, where we have in-house tool room, we have in-house mold shop, we have in-house electroplating, we have a UL-certified lab, and we have even enable accredited lab. So that gives a very strong competitive advantage for Elcom, being the only pure play Indian company where we design and build the entire EV connectors and in-house. That gives a very strong advantage, and we are ticking all the box. If you see the pre-sales support, after-sales support, or be it cost, be it the quality, which is the benchmark within the benchmark with the best in the industry, and as well as the deliveries. So I think you have got a one-stop shop to cater to all our customers' needs. I think Elcom has got a USP of even being the first Indian company to have a field replaceable contract in this segment, and even we are giving a pre-sales as well as after-sales support, and the kind of enable accredited lab and the reliability testing facility that we have, I think nobody in India has got that as a differentiator, irrespective of whether it is even MNC. So, in a nutshell, I think Elcom is having a very strong competitive advantage which comes out of its R&D and operational capabilities, and we are already there in this connector field since last 44 years. So I think we understand our customers' requirements in a much better way, and not only understand, but I think we'll deliver their needs and their requirements in a much better and much faster way. Yeah.
Of course, I mean, as the market is growing, we would like to know about some new developments, maybe, of course, the expansion plans, or maybe new product developments that Elcom might be planning to come with. So if you can throw some light on that, that would be helpful.
Yeah. So, we have now ventured into this auto segment. What we have done is that we have, as I said, we have put up a new plant, and I'm very happy to inform you that it is IATF compliant. And so with that, now our next mission will be to take this product to the international market. So now it's almost 1.5 years that we have consolidated our position as one of the market leaders in this segment, and now we're going to take it to especially the Europe and Middle East market. So that is number one. Number two is there is a development of Type 7 connector which is already going on, and hopefully you can see Type 7 connector to be from Elcom very soon. And number three, we can foresee that the demand for the fast charging and the high current chargers are increasing. So we are now, in the development process of 350 and 500 ampere, EV charging guns. So these are the, I think, three big things that Elcom is, looking ahead, and I'm sure, I think within a year, I think we'll be able to, develop these products and take this to international market. Thank you.